You can create incredible product ads for a business in just seconds now, using Google's new Nano Banana AI image model. All you need is a real picture of what your product looks like, and the business's logo. Here is an image ad for a dog toy it created for me. To use this, go to Google AI Studio and press Try Nano Banana. For the product image, I deliberately gave it a busy industrial shot to show you don't a picture of your product in a neat and clean setting. And then I also uploaded a logo image for this bakery, which I generated with ChatGPT. And then accompanying those two images, here is the prompt I used. Create a product ad of a high-quality white packaging bakery box open to reveal one of the completed bread in the attached bakery image. Include the attached image logo on the box and the corner of the ad. And this was the output. Here's another example. The input image was this dog toy in a factory setting, and this logo I generated. I gave it these images along with this prompt for an ad. And here was the output. Using Nano Banana in this way is a cheap and quick way to make any product ads for A/B testing and seeing what your customers are responding to.